Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here, and today we are gonna talk about some and every method in JavaScript language. Let's get started. We use those methods in arrays. The sum method tests if at least one element of the given array passes the implemented test, while every tests if all elements pass it. Both methods return true or false, and this is how they look like. We have the sum method with the callback function with 3 arguments, element, index of this element, and array, and the same looks the every method. Also, they don't change the array we are testing. Let's take a look at some examples of sum method. We have an array of numbers, and in the first example we are testing if this array has some elements less than 5, and we get in return the boolean value, which tells us that this is true. This condition is true. Some of those elements are less than 5. In that case, there are actually 4 elements which are less than 5. In the second example, we test if some of those elements are greater than 5, and this is false. And let's see some examples of every method. We still have the same array, and in the first example we are testing if every element of this array are less than 5, and this is false because 5 is actually not less than 5, so this one element does not meet this condition. That's why this is false. And in the second example we are testing if every element of this array is less or equal to 5, and this is true. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.